Change has come, and the Child Detection Agency is now the Comedy Detection Agency. Not sure if something is funny? Call the CDA hotline and we'll be there in a flash. We know comedy is hard, so now the CDA is here to help, ready to drop in on a moment's notice to scientifically find and evaluate humor.
3.8 gigawatts. 4.7 gigawatts. 7, 8, 9, 2.3 gigawatts.
Agents are available day and night.
No mask, ventriloquists are never funny.
The future of energy is a joke, and the Comedy Detection Agency is here to help. The CDA. We take comedy seriously.
Attention employees, Roz would like me to remind you that the copy machine is not a toy.
And I'm here to explain how to text a joke from your phone. First, go.
We got a schedule to keep and a quota to fill, so keep it moving.
Girls for everyone, well, thank you, sir. Thanks for your generosity. Well, hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is the Bunny Boyle. I'm one of the funny monsters here at the lab floor. You just met our MC, our monster of ceremony, Mike Wazowski. Raise your hand up if you're a fan of the Mike Wazowski. Let's see those Wazowski fans out there. All right, that takes care of the mic check. The mic check. Look at the people right there in the lab can. That's a nice start. That's impressive, actually. Speaking of impressive, this guy, he's gonna dance. Yeah, let's hear for our dancers, everyone. Let's not forget his backup dancer. That kid was dancing too. He was adorable. Hey, one more thing. Whenever a monster comes up onto the stage and says to you, "Hello, humans," the correct response is to throw your hands in the air. Scream out, "Ha!" Let's try it. Hello, humans! Nice job. If you guys want to see a show, all you gotta do is say, "Roz, start the show."
Roz, start the
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lab floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans! I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the lab floor. Now, if this is your first time in the monster world, there are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? You get away from Roz! On the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
He fell down. He fell down, Daddy.
Oh. Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Well, here they are! Sam and Noah!
Hello, humans! Hello, everyone. I'm Ella. This is my big brother, Sam.
Well, thank you for that lovely introduction. And, as you know, I am Well, I'm something of a storyteller.
Indeed.
And I thought today we might tell that famous story that happened here at Monsters Incorporated.
Oh.
But let's use all of the humans as the star.
Except for that guy, he scares me. Like that little doggy on his shirt.
All right, well, it's not even about that guy, is it? It's about monsters.
Yep.
The first a hairy scarer known as Sully.
Solitary Harry.
His best friend, Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski with one eye. He only has one eye.
So could you,
One eye?
could you have one eye?
Just
Could
one
you-
eye,
could
sir.
you close one eye?
Just have one eye. There it is. Very nice.
Now they were living in Monstropolis, which was having a power crisis.
Oh no, everyone say oh
It was Sully's job to create screams for power by making scary faces.
Growling.
Scary face. Causing everyone to scream. Thus losing power for Monstropolis.
no. Everybody say hooray!
Now what? A little human girl made it into the monster world through an open doorway.
And her name was...
Why are they booing me?
They're not booing you, it's Little Bill. Little Bill. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Can you play peekaboo?
Can you play peekaboo?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
She is adorable.
It is not so adorable.
What?
Well, it's that evil scarer known as Randall.
Ooh, Randall. Could turn himself invisible.
Invisible?
He could disappear.
They could vanish.
Could vanish. He could. It's pretty good.
Well, he is pretty close.
That's pretty good.
No, Randall is pretty evil. He can't jump through. He turned my Aunt Sully into the human. Well, Sully, he went into a wild tizzy.
Wild to see. That's more like a picky. What?
You're boring me.
She's really mad at you. Just go fast.
Sully, he went into my village, through a closet door and back into the monster world to try and get Boo back home. Randall chased him on a roller coaster ride through the door. Boo took care of Randall. Mike exposed Walt to this. They all discovered after the less more powerful than
Thanks, everybody. We're salmonella.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Oh, 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hey, you remember, well, except for that guy. Now I am, but as you know, but what you do not know is that I can read minds. It's true. I am telepathic. I'm looking for somebody out there with a mind. What is a powerful mind calling me? Calling me. Yes, that's her. That's her. Look, she's waving too. Hi, I'm Buddy. It's so nice to meet you. What's your name?
Terry.
Correct. Sampling of my amazing abilities. Terry, I would like for you to think up a number between 1 and 50. Have you got that number?
Yes.
I'm gonna plug that number from your mind. Terry! But hold on now, before I do, why don't you tell the audience the number so they'll know when I get it right. Terry, don't worry, I'll close my eyes so I will not hear you. Go ahead.
43.
Did you tell him your number, Terry?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, put your hands on your head and make some antennas to complete the mental. Good. Terry, those are like antlers. I love those. Now concentrate while you rock from side to side, tuning into frequencies. Yeah. Terry, make this one simple noise. Well, you are a naturalist. You're number 34! No? Oh. Higher or lower?
Higher.
34! Too high, right? Terry. Hold on, it just struck me. Your number 43. You were a thanks for your help. Ladies and gentlemen, I have more and my psychic ability, well, they've never let me down.
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right.
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a fold on my head.
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Hello, humans! Hi, everybody. I'm Marty Wazowski. My Uncle Mike said that I can tell some of your jokes, so if you guys want to hear them, say yeah! Yeah! Okay, Brooke and Amy, they're from Phoenix, Arizona, and they said, what did the traffic light say to the car? Everybody say what?
What?
Don't look, I'm changing. And then Marty from Honolulu said, what do you call a belt full of watches? Everybody say what?
What?
A waste of time! Autumn from Phoenix, did you guys hear about the new restaurant? It's called Karma. Have you heard about it? There's no menu. You get what you deserve. And then there was a knock-knock joke. It's from Michaela Briggs in Kentucky, and they said knock-knock. Ooze. Who's in charge around here? And then the last one was from Charlotte. She's from Maryland. She said, how do you stop a bull from charging? Everybody say how.
How?
You take away his credit card. I also really wanted to talk to a human kid, so raise your hand if you're a human kid, because I want to talk to you. I got a knock-knock joke and I need a partner. Over on the side, there's a human kid. Right near the aisle, there's a human kid. She's camouflaged, but I still see her. Hi, human kid with the cool camouflage shirt. What's your name?
Hi,
She's got like a pet monkey.
guys.
Emmy. And then what's your friend's name?
Austin.
Hi, Austin. Hey, Emmy, how old are you?
12.
Do you know why 6 was afraid of 7? There it is! That was amazing. Emmy, do you have a favorite food?
Yeah.
Awesome. What is it? That's what I'm talking about. I got a joke for you. Why did the student eat his homework?
I don't know.
The teacher said it was a piece of cake. We also have a knock-knock joke for everybody. Knock-knock.
Who's that?
That guy!
Hey, let's give the little guy a big hand. Wasn't it great?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh, yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.